A very good morning to all my dear students. So as we have already started the chapter circles. Okay, so in that chapter we have already completed the first exercise, the basic properties. So today we are going to study one theorem, angle subtended by a chord at a point. Okay, when a chord is making an angle at the center, then you have one theorem. So what is that theorem? Equal chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center. So I hope you all have understood that if you have two chords, AB and CD are the chords, suppose these two are equal, this is given to you in the question, then you have to prove that these two angles so formed at the center are also equal. So what basically we have to prove is angle AOB is equal to angle COD. These two angles we have to prove equal. Now we'll just see in triangles AOB and COD. So in these two triangles you can see OA is equal to OC. Okay, and OB is equal to OD. The reason for both these will be radii of the same circle. Since these are the radii of only one circle, so all these will be equal. Okay, then AB is equal to CD because this is given in the question. So therefore triangle AOB will be congruent to triangle COD. So these two triangles will become congruent by side, side and side criteria. Now if these two triangles are congruent, then you can write angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Reason for that will be corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Okay, so this way you have proved that the two angles subtended by equal chords are always equal. So this is the theorem. So I hope all of you have understood. Now we'll see the converse of the theorem. Converse of the theorem is, if the angles subtended by the chords of a circle at the center are equal, then the chords are equal. So basically ये जो theorem है, this is directly opposite to theorem 10.1. Theorem 10.1 में आपको दिया था AB and CD, the chords are equal, and you had to prove angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Now in theorem 10.2, whose proof we are not going to do, okay, in that it is given that angles are equal and you have to prove that the chords are also equal. So in short, I'll just tell you these two triangles will become congruent by side angle side. Side angle side से ये दोनों triangle congruent हो जाएंगे, and then you will write that AB is equal to CD by CP CT. Okay, so this way both the theorems all of you have understood, I hope. So now we'll start the exercise, which is exercise 10.2. So in this exercise, the first question is, you have two congruent triangles with center circles with C and C dash with centers O and O dash. So this is O center and this is O dash center. These two are congruent, okay? And you have to prove that AOB is equal to CO dash D. Okay, and these two chords are also given. Okay, AB is equal to CD. This is given to you. First question of exercise 10.2. So we'll basically start with triangle AOB and triangle CO'D. These are two triangles. In these two triangles, OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to O'D. Reason for these will be radii of congruent circles. Okay, जैसे एक circle के दो radii same होते हैं. If two circles are congruent, that means the radii are equal. So this is. Then AB is equal to CD, given to you. AB is equal to CD. Therefore triangle AOB is congruent to triangle CO'D. ये दोनों triangle आपके congruent हो जाएंगे by side 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 criteria. And if these two triangles are congruent, then you can write angle AOB is equal to angle CO'D by corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So this way you have proved that angles subtended by equal chords in two congruent circles are also equal. So this way we have proved the first question. Now second question we will see. Okay, so in second question it is given that you have two congruent circles again. Okay, and you have to prove if the two angles are equal. Okay, just inverse of the question which you have done already. If the angles are equal, then chords are also equal, that you have to prove. So you have to prove that AB is equal to CD. Okay, so in triangle AOB and triangle CO'D, in these two triangles again AO is equal to O-C and OB is equal to O-D. The reason for this will be radii of congruent circles. Okay, then angle AOB is equal to angle CO'D because this is given to you in the question. So these two triangles are congruent by side angle side, क्योंकि ये side और इनके बीच वाला angle and the other side are equal to the same with the corresponding circle. So this way you can write that AB is equal to CD by corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So this way we have proved that if the angles subtended by two chords in congruent circles are equal, then chords are also equal. So I hope all of you have understood. So now complete exercise 10.2. Thank you.